Hey guys, it's Docc Andrews from JRFM, Jewel the cash cow here as well, and we're here at the beautiful Cultus Lake Adventure Park. I do this all the time. I go all across North America. I just go to awesome theme parks like this as a professional kid and make sure the park is top notch. So let's go check this out, Jewel. Are you ready? Let's do this. Yeah! Yeah! It's not a real donkey, Jewel. It's not real. Let's go.
Okay, what the heck? It's 2:01. Like, where is he? Ugh. Doc. Maybe I'll try giving him a call. Okay, I'm like genuinely concerned. Like, what the heck? He's never late.